Good morning, Liberation, and welcome to this week's 1 Minute Word. This week, we are all invited to accept ourselves as beautiful. You may not have the hair you want, the nose you want, your lips may not be as full as you want them to be. Maybe your eye color isn't even what you would have imagined or picked for yourself. But the fact of the matter is, because you have breath in your lungs, because you have the activities of your limbs, and because you have clarity of thought in your mind, you are beautiful. And even if all those things aren't always operating in unison and at one time, you are still beautiful because you were made in the image of God. Instead of trying to change something about yourself, or just on this day, instead of trying to make yourself fit into some box or somebody else's understanding of what is beautiful, what is unique, what is whole, accept that you were created just the way you are for a purpose, and you don't have to change or rearrange anything for anybody, but to show up exactly as you are, and the world will be blessed.